Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer photo from Samsung to Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this is my old Samsung and this is my new Samsung. I'm just transfer photo using my cable. Okay, because this is a very easy way and fastest way. So let's get start. Simply you just connect this cable. Okay, and just connect this. So if you want to transfer this phone to this phone and this phone to this phone, same process. I'm just transfer photo this phone to this phone. Okay, press on to select connect device. Select gallery to just once. Open this, press on allow. Press on. Okay, alright. Press on to menu option, MTP device. Select MTP device. Now connect this phone. Now it's scanning. So as you can see, now scan my all image, this phone to this phone. Just select to long press to select, press on import. Okay, now successfully save this. Go back, reopen my gallery. Successfully transfer this. So that's it. That's how we can do this.